Well, an interesting story. Throughout my life, I've been kind of a serial entrepreneur. I got most of my training through Union Gas, where I spent 17 years, and decided to branch out on my own in various capacities after that. So to make a long story even longer, Crose Mechanical actually started in its present form about 6-7 years ago. Very interesting. So, back to my history, 17 years with Union Gas. During that time, I went back to graduate school, got my certified financial planning and my MBA. And one of my good friends, who was a client at the time, said to me, there's a new program, a rebate program offered through Ontario Hydro, and I'm going to get a big rebate if I replace my furnace. And so I said, how much are you paying for your furnace? He said $6,000 installed. So this is 10 years ago. This is around 2008 or so. And I thought, holy mackerel, $6,000 to do a straight replacement on a furnace is crazy. And what it was is people were taking advantage of the rebate. So they say to the customer, you're going to get a $1,500 rebate, so we're going to overprice the cost of the furnace. So I said to my friend, I will get my contractor's registration and I will open up my own business on the side of certified financial planning and install a furnace for you for $4,500. So I still made money. He saved $1,500 plus got the rebate, and everybody was happy. And that was kind of the beginning, as the certified financial planning business was in a tumultuous position. I kind of ramped up the Crose Mechanical and got back into the heating and cooling, starting out with a friend.